Hey everyone, it's Vince. Today we're going to take a look at this, the QSP Penguin.
It's too damn hot for a penguin to be just walking around here.
14C28N steel. It has a nice flipper tab, deep carry pocket clip, thumb studs, and it is the button lock version. Green micarta handle. The length is 7.06 inches. Closed is 4 inches. And the blade length itself is 3.06 inches. This is a sheep's foot style blade coming in at about $66 US. I believe I paid about 80 Canadian for this. The flipper tab is effortless. The button lock is really nice. The action is super smooth with the ceramic bearings. I did open this up and give it some new grease.
That's oil, isn't it?
I use a grease that is food safe, cutting some food or lunch or whatever. It's nice to have that option as well. The detent is nice and strong. Thumb studs aren't as easy to open as some of the knives I've had. You can get it to reverse flick, but you really gotta push it. You almost push up and out. I think that makes it slightly easier. I bought it because of the flipper and the button lock. I never had a button lock knife before. The green micarta is very nice. It's almost like a foresty green. You get a couple of stickers in the box. It didn't come with a carrying bag or anything like that. It came out of the box super sharp. I've been really impressed with the edge retention on the blade. Now I do notice here I have a good nick out of it. That is of no fault of the blade. I actually dropped it and it's still dead center. No adverse effects to the action at all. But I did drop it while it was open. And instead of impaling my foot, I moved out of the way and it actually bounced off the floor and hit a return air grill. Whatever, that's part of it. Luckily it didn't damage anything or puncture myself. But anyways, the QSP Penguin. I think this will be a nice little budget knife for the channel and for my EDC carry. It's something I can beat up and just absolutely not care about. Anyways, if you guys like videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe if you want. It's up to you, totally free of charge. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. To make everyone's lives easier. Ouch.